Hi guys, I'm Baliet Rafa from HM405. This is my video presentation of 25 hand signal and referee's call and also the violation. Number 1, traveling.
Oh.
When a player illegally moves one or both of their feet, a traveling violation is called. The referee will put both arms in front of their face and move them in a circle to signal a traveling. Number 2, double dribbling. A double dribbling occurs when a player dribbles the double, pick it up, and then dribbles again. The referee puts both of their hands in front of them with their palms down and alternative moving them up and down to a signal and double dribble has occurred. Number 3, carrying the basketball. A carrying violation is called when a player is dribbling the basketball and puts their and hand under and it continues dribbling. To a signal a carry, the official will use one of their hands and flip it over from palm up to palm down several times. Number 4, 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation, players are allowed 3 seconds in the paint. A 12 by 16 feet area closer to the basket. If a player is in the paint for more than 3 seconds, the referee will call a 3-second violation. Number 5, 5 seconds violation. A 5 seconds violation, a team has 5 seconds to throw the ball inbounds when they are taking it out. If they take longer than 5 seconds, the referee will call a 5 seconds violation. Number 6, 8 seconds violation. When a team has the ball in the backcourt, they have 8 seconds to get the ball across the half-court line. If they take longer than allotted 8 seconds, the referee calls a 8 seconds violation. Number 7, 24 seconds violation. Number 8, backcourt violation.
No.
When a team possesses the basketball in the front court, then a player with the ball goes into the backcourt with the defense touching it on over and back violation occurs. Number 9, kicking. In basketball, a player may not intentionally kick the basketball. If they do, the official will blow their whistle. To signal a kick occurred, the referee will point at their foot. Number 10, out of the bounds. The ball is out of the bounds when it touches a line that outlines the court on anywhere outside of those lines. It is also out of the bounds if it touches a player who is standing outside or on in a line. Number 11, jump ball. When players from both teams possess the basketball, a jump ball is called. The referee will give 2 thumbs up above their head to signal that a jump ball has been called. Next, fouling signal. Number 12, blocking foul. When a defensive player does not have a legal guarding position and impedes the dribbler's progress, a blocking foul occurs. The referee signal for blocking is placing both hands on their hips. Number 13, charging foul. If the defensive player is an illegal guarding position and the offensive player knocks them off of their spot, a charging foul is called. This is also called a player control foul. When the referee signals a charging foul, they make a fist with one hand and punch the open palm of their other hand. Number 14, hand checking foul. Defensive players are not allowed to limit a ball handler ability to move with their hands. If the defender does limit the movement with their hands, a hand-checking foul is called. For the signal, the referee will chop one and hand across the opposite wrist. Number 15, holding foul.
Go.
In a basketball, you are not allowed to grab another player by the jersey or any of their body parts. If this happens, a holding foul is called. The referee signal for a holding foul is making a fist point with one hand, holding that arm out, and then grabbing the wrist with their other hand. Number 16, pushing foul. Players are not able to push their opponents in basketball. If a referee sees a push, they will call a foul. These fouls happen a lot when two players are going after the same rebound. In fact, when an over the back foul occurs, we'll typically see the referee call it a push. 17. Elbow foul. If a player gets aggressive with their elbows and connects with an opponent, a foul will be called. Sometimes, these fouls can be deemed flagrant and can result in two shots and the ball for the team that going hit by the elbow. 18. Intentional foul.
1, 2, 3, go.
Over the course of the game, fouls happen unintentionally numerous times. However, if the referee thinks a foul was done purposely or with malicious intent, they can call an intentional foul. An intentional foul results in two shots for the offensive team and the ball. 19. Technical foul. If referees feel like a coach or a player is not conducting themselves properly or having unsportsmanlike behavior, they can call a technical foul. This foul is also result in two shots plus the basketball. Other hand signal to no. Number 20, substitution.
Go.
When teams want to exchange on court, player with someone on the bench, the coach asks for a substitution. At the next dead ball, the referee signals the substitution by making an X with their arms. 21. Start the clock.
Go.
In basketball, there are a lot of dead balls where the clock is stopped. The clock doesn't start again until a player on the floor touches it. Instead of the timekeeper making a judgment of when to stop the clock, they look for a referee signal to start. The referee will have their hand in the air until it's time to at the clock. Time to start at the clock. 22. 3-point attempt. When a player attempts a three-pointer, the referee has a signal to show that they will put an arm straight up in the air to signal a three-point shot is being attempted. Number 23, 3-point make. If the 3-point attempt is made, the official has another signal. For that, they will take both of their arms and place them straight into the air. Number 24, no basket. Sometimes, shots are taken that are immediately after a foul is called for the time has expired. The official will signal the shot does not count by waving and crossing their arms out in the front of them. Number 25, timeout. The other type of timeout is a full timeout. The signal for this is to stick both arms straight out to the side with fist being made. Once again, guys, I'm Baluyat Rafa from HM405, and this is my video presentation of 25 signals and referee's call and also the violation. Thank you for watching.